मडगाव उजो पालोवपी दळ सेवांनी रवींद्र भवनात विद्यार्थ्यांखातीर उजो पालोवपी सुरक्षे खातीर जागृताय पोस्टर सर्त घडवून हाडली.
Myself, Gil Soda, Station Fire Officer in charge, Madgaon Fire Station. So, okay, as a part of Fire Safety Awareness Program of Fire Safety Week 14 to 20, so we have conducted drawing competitions of all schools of this Madgaon Fire Station jurisdiction. So, there are two groups, 7 to 10 years and 11 to 14 years. And the topic is for 7 to 10 years is stop, drop and roll, stay safe from fire, and 11 to 14 fire safety awareness for safer society. So this is a part of our main program, that fire safety week. So fire safety week we will be conducting different demonstration, fire safety measures in all societies, then markets, schools and everywhere, even industries. So as a fire safety program, and this is the main in advance we have conducted, so we cannot conduct during that parade, so we will be conducting other programs there. So around 170 students have participated so far, okay, from this south zone.
Total schools which have participated?
Total there are many presentation, Fatima, Holy Street, and then we have Kings and Olive, few, and other many schools have participated.
So what will be the final, what you will do?
Okay, the final result we will declare 2 days before this our main program of 14 April at our headquarters Penju. So from there, so we have taken all details from them. All the details, whoever come first, second, third, there are three prizes in each group, 7 to 10 for second, third, and 11 to 14 for second, third prize. So this is all Goa actually. Every fire station jurisdiction there will be this competition. So after after this we will be given for corrections, and from there they will declare the winners. And it will be announced, and whatever prizes are there and certificates will be distributed at our headquarters on 14 April for main function.
Thank you, sir.